This video demonstrates how to unpack the Xerox C315 printer. Unlatch each lock on the box and pull the lock out of the box. Remove the top of the cardboard box. Remove the foam packing from the top and front of the printer. Remove the install guide and output tray extension. Remove the power cord and place it on the desk. Open the plastic bag that surrounds the printer. With 2 people, lift the printer out of the box and place it on the desktop. Open the top cover and remove the foam protector. Close the cover. Remove the tape and foam block from the side of the printer. Remove the output tray extension and paper guide from the bag. On the back of the printer, align the output tray extension tabs to the printer. Insert the tray and lock in place. Insert the paper guide into the 2 hooks on the output tray. Open the tray extension. Open the front door. Release the gray tab on the side and open the top cover. On the right side of the printer, pull the orange tab out. Grasp the ring and pull the protective cover straight out of the toner cartridges. In the front of the printer, hold the orange tab and ring and pull the protective cover. Squeeze the 2 orange tabs together and release the protective covers on the fuser. Release the gray tab and close the top cover. Close the front door. Remove the paper tray from the printer. The guides can be moved to accommodate different paper sizes. Fan the paper and ensure the edges align. Place the paper in the tray. Adjust the guides to the correct paper position. Insert the paper tray into the printer and close the tray. Connect the power cord to the back of the printer, then plug the power cord into a properly grounded electrical outlet. Connect the fax cable to the printer and to a phone jack. The C315 printer also has connections for USB or Ethernet cables. The unpacking of the C315 printer is complete. The Xerox C315 printer Power On and Wi-Fi video shows how to power on the C315 printer and set up Wi-Fi.